I came back because my dad's in a rest home and my mum passed away in 220. So, yeah. No, that's Willie Jackson who's going to blow out the candle for the... That's a good idea. Yay! Woohoo! Cut the cake. Whakaene hokmana tukia koe ke mopuna ke tawhe mai e mala ya ana mai la ke lalia taua e moianga pia pia ko meli e loto e pula tu
in the house.
Sorry.
I am a writer, creative artist. It's important for me to come back here and reconnect with who I am as a Niue. But before I do that, I just want to acknowledge the leaders of our community, the Takitaki Kai, Mutu Musila, Susana Hukui for Oelahi, who paved the way for people like myself watching growing up. Thank you so much. I also want to acknowledge Nick. We went to school together. He was a great actor. He's still acting now. He's working in politics, all that wonderful things. He knows it. He's laughing. He was one of my heroes. He played a clown, and he's still playing the clown here in politics. I also just want to acknowledge Willie Jackson, because this is your country, or this is your land. Kia ora. If you do have a little bit of koha, bring it to us so we can do our stories for Manomori. And also, and everybody else that's here, I also want to acknowledge Patrick, who are working on our documentary, Children of Niue, which is to be shot in Niue. But I'm 2 weeks ago, guys, I reached out to Niueans. Ui matua haku, vela, masaka ke whange tala do tala Niue. Wai hea ne hola kai do tala Niue. I am Niuean, my father is Samoan, I grew up with the Tongans. People still think I'm Maori. But 2 weeks ago, I reached out to some Niueans, creating Niueans, to come and work together. How do we tell our stories? How do we put our stories and share our stories? And the first person that came to my call was Jay. And we we made 4 songs in 2 weeks, along Niue, and we have formed a collaboration called NNS50. It stands for Niue, Niue, New Zealand, 50 for the celebration, but also it represents our age. I know, I look 18, but I am 54. What the point is for us to come together to celebrate our songs through the video. What I want to show you guys, if you're interested in it, is what our work is all about, myself and Jay. But also, I have a special thing for you guys today. It's a film, a short film we made 10 years ago with the Taki Sione when he was Fuata back in those days. So we made that film 10 years ago. So we're going to show that film tonight. Just to celebrate who we are as Niue. I want you to look at what the video is up here. Reach out to us. Up here, for you too, Willie, from Lemore, I know you do not understand where we are, but if you've got koha from Lemore, I'm asking you, because this is your country and I'm your country, Lemore, tamai ka koha ka haka ke, tuku ki gara, to tolo ke tuli te puaka, to tuli te pek. Anyway, over to you, my champ, from Lemore. Hey, patch, mate.